Hi everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today. I have found some great affordable makeup, some from Amazon, some just from the drugstore. So we're gonna go ahead and do a full face. Everything is under $15. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Michelle. I post videos every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I enjoy makeup, skincare, and lifestyle. I hope that you will consider subscribing before you go. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So the first thing that I have here, I am so excited to share with you. This was such a good find. It is called Snail Repair Intensive BB Cream. It is a SPF of 50 PA++++. And I know snail mucin sounds disgusting, but it's not. It's actually really beneficial for your skin. Snails are not harmed. The mucin is ethically sourced, so that's always good to know. I'll just tell you a little bit about snail mucin if you are not familiar with it. Snail mucin retains moisture, supports cell regeneration. It repairs damaged skin and supports skin resilience. It is good for all skin types. Skin concerns, definitely acne, hyperpigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles, and texture. And the benefits are moisturizing, healing, soothing, and tightening. For our aging skin, if you are postmenopausal or perimenopause, if you're suffering from acne, this would be great for you. This is a fantastic BB cream. It only comes in 4 colors. I think if you're really dark skinned, I don't know if their darkest color will be enough for you. So you definitely have to take a look and see what the colors are versus your skin tone. This is way too light on me, but I've been using it and I've been making it work. I definitely need to order the next color up. Comes in this little squeezy tube. I'm gonna do 1 pump. It's very, very thick. It's supposed to be high coverage. I'm just gonna start with my cheeks. You can see how light this is on my face. It does blend right into your skin and it's beautiful. It feels absolutely amazing. Wearing a full coverage foundation can be way too heavy and it can make us look older. If you are looking for a high coverage, you might wanna give this a try, because it is just a blemish balm, especially if you are suffering with hormonal acne. My skin was doing so well, and then all of a sudden, it's not. I don't know if it's just a change in the seasons. Now I still have quite a bit left on my hand, so you can see a little goes a long way. I'm gonna just bring this down my neck. It does have more of a radiant finish. If you don't like a radiant finish, you might not like this. I'm really starting to get into glowy or dewy finishes. I just feel like it makes your skin look so much healthier and it doesn't accentuate your wrinkles. I think that really did a good job covering. I look just super, super pale, so we're just gonna keep going and I'm gonna make it work. And if I didn't say already, this retails for $14. So this is the most expensive thing here. So not bad at all. That's such a good price for this. So we're gonna try to bronze this up. I did not get a new bronzer. The only drugstore bronzer that I have is my Milani, which is a little light for me too. So I'm gonna do my best to try to darken this up. This was my Milani Silky Matte Bronzer. This is an 01 Sunlight. Let's see what we can do to darken up my face here. Well, that's looking a little better. I love the smell of this. It has like a coconutty smell to it. I'm going to put on a little bit of concealer. This is by, I think it's pronounced Jojoba. This is their eye serum concealer. This is a really nice hydrating concealer. It's a brightening concealer. This retails for $11.99. This just has a little sponge there, almost like the Charlotte Tilbury or the Maybelline Age Rewind. Go underneath my eyes. If you're looking for a heavy-duty concealer that you really want to cover any darkness or any veins, this will not be the one for you. This just adds a lot of moisture and a little bit of brightening. So if you want a full coverage concealer, this will not work for that. But if you're looking just for some added moisture and a little bit of brightness, this is fantastic. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm going to do them off camera, but I am using 2 of the e.l.f. Ultra Precise brow pencils. These retail anywhere from $2.54 on Amazon to $9.95. My taupe was $5 and my blonde was $9.95, so go figure. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. I am back, my brows are done. I love mixing the colors. I just feel like it gives more of a softer look and it just blends and gives them a little bit of definition and depth. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do blush. I normally do my eyes, but I'm so pale. This is one of my favorite drugstore powder blushes. This is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Blush. This is in Rosy Outlook. This is just a gorgeous color. I absolutely love it. Really soft pink color. Much better. I'm really enjoying this BB cream a lot, more than I thought I would. I was pretty hesitant, but for the price, you can't go wrong. You guys should give it a try if you like just a natural kind of radiant look. I think I'm gonna leave my blush at that. I'm liking how it looks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow. I picked up this Maybelline eyeshadow palette on Amazon. It was $8.84. I absolutely loved it. I thought the colors were beautiful, just really soft. I do have to say, if you're a beginner with eyeshadow, and for whatever reason you're intimidated, I used to be, this isn't overly pigmented. It's actually nice if you're a beginner because you don't have to worry about it going on really dark and then having to remove it and start over again. They're just really soft. They blend out really nice. So you can just always start light and then just kind of go from there. I am going to start with the lightest color like I always do, which is right here. And I'm gonna do that all over my entire eyelid. It just brightens up the whole eye area. You can see these aren't overly pigmented. I'm really getting in there with the brush. I always like to do a base before my eyeshadow, especially if you have discoloration, just to brighten it up before you go in with the rest of your eyeshadow. There we go, you can see that. I think next I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I'm gonna kind of do the outer corner. I always like to draw a line from the brow coming down just like that, and then you can start to blend. Just find if you have hooded eyes, not going all the way to the edge makes them look really lifted. And I don't want to do too dark of an eye look. I want to keep it nice and bright. I'm really liking this palette. It's super affordable. Where can you get a palette for under $9 for so many colors? And you have enough colors here to create so many different looks. You can go from neutral to, you could go in with all of the darker colors to create a darker eye look if that's what you wanted. I'm gonna take this really pretty light green. That's the color that I've been liking, this color right here. I'm just gonna kind of go in the center of the lid over to the inner corner. You can see how subtle these colors are. That is so pretty. I am loving this palette. That's the light green, so gorgeous. I love it. Then I'm gonna do my inner corner. I'm just gonna use a regular, just a pencil brush. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I'm just gonna do a little on the inner corner, kind of up on the lid a little bit. And I'm gonna use the same palette to line my eyes. I'm just gonna use a flat shader brush. And I'm gonna go in with the darker gray, which is this color right here. And I'm just gonna pat at the lash line so I can get just a really soft eyeliner look. I love the look of just a kind of a soft smoked out liner. And then I think I'm just gonna go in with this color here for my lower lashes. Just go right underneath there, just a little bit. It's so pretty. That's all I'm gonna do with the eyes. Kept it super simple. I love this palette. It's called the Blush Nudes from Maybelline, really affordable. And now I'm going to put on my mascara. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Sky High Mascara. This retails for $9.98, so $10. Love this mascara. It has a really nice skinny wand. You can just really get in there with the skinny brush. And as usual, I am making a mess. Got some blobs there. I'll show you how I remove that without disturbing my makeup. I am not the neatest putting on mascara at all, and that's okay. I always clean it up after. So to clean up the mess around your eyes, I just use these dry spoolies. Love them. Get them on Amazon. I get a huge pack of them. I go ahead and take the dry spoolie and you just flake it off, and it does not disturb your eyeshadow at all. Also underneath, if you get any mascara down there or if you get any glitter fallout, you can just kind of use this and flick it away. But make sure you let it dry. If you don't let it dry, you'll just smear it all over your face. So let it dry and flick it away with that. I'm gonna go ahead and use a setting spray. I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Matte Finish Setting Spray. I love this. I have it in the dewy and I have it in the matte. It is scented. It has a really light scent. It doesn't bother me at all. This retails for $11. I am a huge fan of her setting sprays. Oh, I love the smell. And for my lips, I'm not gonna do anything crazy. This is the e.l.f. Ride or Die Lip Balm. The color on this is called Tough Cookie. It is considered a sheer warm caramel color. It does have kind of a cookie scent to it. I could do without the scent. Oh my goodness, for $6, this is so moisturizing. It doesn't go on this dark. It's very, very sheer. It's almost like just a tinted Vaseline. It's incredible. It has jojoba oil in it and a vegan collagen. There's other colors that this comes in. I think I'm going to be getting the other colors. I like it so much. So that's what it looks like. I figured for fall, this is a really nice color. It is a little bit sticky. This isn't bad at all. It's just, it has such a nice feel to it. This is a fantastic lip balm. I'm absolutely loving it and totally not what I expected. I just expected it to be one of those kind of lightweight lip glosses that you just apply and then, 10 minutes later, you feel like you have to reapply. This is really thick. It's super moisturizing and it lasts quite a while. I mean, it's a lip gloss. It's not gonna last you all day. It's still gonna transfer, when you eat or drink and you wipe your mouth, but it's still fantastic. It's one of the longer lasting lip glosses that I've tried. This is it for my finished look. I hope you guys like it. I'm absolutely loving it. I definitely think you should give this BB cream a try. It's just so affordable. You can't go wrong. So guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. I'm so excited to share these products with you. These were some amazing finds. Under $15, so totally worth a try. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch. I hope you all have a great weekend and I will see you in my next video.